Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and we have taken the blue color and you will learn another eye makeup today with me with the help of taping, depositing the color over the eyelid with the help of smudge brush, taking the blending brush, blending the eyeshadow as you can see. We are creating a blue smoke eye kind of look. Now again taken the darkest green color from the palette UCANBE with the help of smudge brush, applying it to the outer edges of the eye. You can see with the help of blending brush, blending it, taken the flat applicator brush and the pressed white glitter eyeshadow, applying it over the eyelid. Taken the glitter, applying it to the inner corner of the eye. Simple and natural look. You can see now you can see the look after lashes, removing the taping. Now doing the under eye work, taken the gel kajal pencil from the brand Charm Walk Beauty, the white kajal pencil, applying it to the lower lash line. Taking the smudge brush and the same eyeshadow color you have used to the upper eye, smudging the under eye with the same color. You can see how connected it look now. Now moving on next step, we have to apply mascara, and for this I am using Maybelline ka mascara colossal for completing the look. And here is the final look. You can see how beautiful it come out. So bye bye, take care everybody. We'll meet in next tutorial with you. Till then, do practice.